Samsung's next move in smart eyewear is starting to take shape, and the latest leaks are revealing far more than just surface-level details. One small specification in particular is getting a lot of attention, and surprisingly, it's the battery. It might not sound exciting at first, but trust me, this single detail could tell us everything about what Samsung is really building. Before we go deeper, drop a comment, and tell me, do you think smart glasses will replace smartphones in the next few years? I'm really curious to hear your take on this. The reported battery capacity is around 245 milliamp hours, which might seem modest when compared to phones or even smartwatches. But in the world of smart glasses, every milliamp matters. These devices are engineered to be ultralight and compact, so any increase in battery size usually signals something much bigger happening under the hood. If you look at simpler smart glasses already on the market, especially those focused on audio or basic camera features, they typically run on batteries closer to 150 milliamp hours. That's because they don't need to power a display, which keeps energy consumption relatively low. So when Samsung steps up to around 245 milliamp hours, it's not random. It strongly suggests additional hardware that needs continuous power, and the most logical explanation here is a built-in display. Even a small heads-up display requires constant energy to stay active and responsive, which significantly increases the power demand compared to audio-only devices. What makes this even more interesting is that this battery size closely matches other smart glasses that already include displays. That alignment adds more weight to the idea that Samsung is heading in the same direction. Earlier reports have also hinted that Samsung might not be releasing just one model. Instead, we could see a dual strategy at launch. One version could be a simpler, more affordable option without a display, while a more advanced version includes visual capabilities. This approach will let Samsung target both casual users and early adopters looking for something more powerful. As for the display itself, expectations should stay grounded. This likely won't be full augmented reality right away. Instead, think of a minimal interface that shows notifications, quick updates, and essential information without overwhelming your vision. It's more of a stepping stone than a final destination. Even so, adding a display is a major shift. It sets the foundation for future upgrades like dual displays or more immersive AR features down the line. In many ways, this feels less like a one-time product and more like the beginning of a long-term roadmap. All signs point to Samsung preparing for a serious entry into next-generation smart eyewear. And if this battery detail is anything to go by, their first move could be more advanced than it seems at first glance. Now shifting gears, Xiaomi is stepping into the space with a concept that could seriously shake things up. In fact, if everything they've shown actually makes it into a real product, these glasses could challenge what current players are doing and possibly even outperform them. And by the end of this, we'll also look ahead at what the next generation of competing devices might bring to the table. Xiaomi isn't treating its smart glasses as just another accessory. Instead, they're positioning them as a true extension of your smartphone, combining multiple everyday functions into something you can wear on your face. Calling, notifications, navigation, and even photography are all built directly into the experience. The idea is simple but powerful: reduce how often you need to reach for your phone while staying fully connected. One of the most impressive elements here is the display technology. Xiaomi is using optical waveguide lenses to project digital visuals directly into your line of sight. Inside the frame sits a tiny micro-LED display module, incredibly small, yet capable of producing extremely bright output. That brightness is crucial because the image needs to pass through the waveguide system and still remain clearly visible, even in daylight. The result is a virtual screen that appears to float in front of your eye, allowing you to see notifications, messages, and system alerts instantly. It doesn't stop there. You can answer calls directly through the glasses, turning them into a wearable communication device. Navigation becomes more intuitive with heads-up directions appearing naturally in your field of view, so you no longer have to keep looking down at your phone. Real-time translation adds another layer of functionality, letting you instantly understand foreign text on signs or menus right in front of you, which could be a game changer for travel. There's also a built-in camera for hands-free photo capture, making it easier to record moments without interrupting the experience. Interaction is handled through a gesture control system, where simple hand movements allow you to interact with digital elements, move content, zoom in, or switch between features. On top of that, Xiaomi is pushing cross-device integration, allowing content to move seamlessly between screens. You could, for example, drag something from your TV directly into your glasses display. Smart home integration is also part of the vision, letting you control connected devices with simple gestures. All of this points toward one goal: blending digital information into your everyday life so naturally that it almost disappears into the background. Instead of feeling like a separate gadget, the technology becomes part of how you interact with the world. Now, here's the bigger question. What if 2026 is the year your glasses start replacing your phone? It sounds bold, but this might be the turning point where smart eyewear moves beyond being a niche experiment and becomes something people actually use daily. That's exactly where the next generation of competing smart glasses comes into play. If earlier versions were just testing the waters, the upcoming generation feels like a real leap forward. The biggest upgrade everyone is talking about is the addition of a built-in display. Imagine looking straight ahead and seeing notifications, camera previews, or quick updates without ever touching your phone. No more constantly pulling your device out of your pocket. Just a clean, subtle interface layered over your natural view. And while this won't be full sci-fi augmented reality just yet, it's a significant step closer. The display is expected to occupy only part of your field of vision, acting as an overlay rather than a fully immersive environment. You still see the real world clearly, but now with useful digital information added on top. If this display arrives in full color, though, that changes everything. It pushes smart glasses much closer to true augmented reality and opens the door for even more advanced experiences in the near future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.